We are writing a simple program to calculate mass, density, or volume. So if density and volume are given, mass will be calculated, and if mass and density are given, volume will be calculated, and if mass and volume are given, then density will be calculated. So we are using if conditional statements that will check whether you want to calculate. So let's first of all assign none to the results. Then we now input flag off by inputting what we intend to calculate. So then we now check if it is mass. It should allow us to input and convert to float, density and volume, and calculate the results. Then if it is density, so it should allow us to input also mass and volume, and write the expression to calculate then density. So if it is volume, so it will allow us to input both mass and volume. We write the expression to calculate volume. It will give us, we will now print out the results. So that's a simple program. Let's run our program to calculate mass, density, and volume. So enter, which one do you want to start with? Let's start with mass. So it allows us to enter the density and the volume. The result is this. Let's run it again. So if it is D, we are calculating, we enter the mass, pound 530 to be the mass. The volume is 34. It will give us the above answer. So let's run it again. So if we are to calculate volume, so we have to enter the mass, which is 45, then enter the density, the mass, which is 45. So the density is 45, sorry. Let me enter the figure. So that's how to calculate the mass, density, or volume. Thanks.